Section 5.2.1, Prosecutors. I'm Dr. Adam McKee, author of Criminal Justice, an overview of the system. Today, we'll explore the crucial role of prosecutors at both the federal and state levels, their responsibilities, and the different types of prosecutorial positions within the U.S. criminal justice system. Prosecutors are vital to the criminal justice system, tasked with presenting the government's case against individuals accused of crimes. Their primary goal is to convince the finder of fact, be it a judge or jury, that the accused is guilty. To achieve this, prosecutors collaborate closely with law enforcement officials to gather and organize all necessary evidence before commencing criminal proceedings. Beyond presenting evidence, prosecutors are duty-bound to ensure that justice is served. This means sharing any evidence that could potentially exonerate the defendant and considering the defendant's rights throughout the legal process. By upholding these responsibilities, prosecutors maintain law and order in their jurisdictions and contribute to the overall integrity of the criminal justice system. U.S. Attorneys. In the federal court system, prosecutors are known as United States Attorneys, USAs. Each of the 94 federal court districts in the country has a U.S. attorney, appointed by the president. These individuals primarily serve as administrators, while actual prosecutions are often carried out by assistant U.S. attorneys, AUSAs. The U.S. Attorney General, the head of the United States Department of Justice, oversees the work of U.S. attorneys. Nearly 2,000 assistant federal prosecutors investigate potential violations of federal laws, focusing on crimes that may exceed the scope of local law enforcement, such as large-scale drug trafficking, public corruption, and white-collar crime. Their work is critical in maintaining the integrity of the federal justice system and ensuring effective enforcement of federal laws. Through their investigations and prosecutions, assistant U.S. attorneys play a vital role in protecting the public and upholding the rule of law. District attorneys. At the state and local levels, prosecutors are typically referred to as district attorneys, DAs. These individuals enforce the criminal laws of their respective jurisdictions. In some places, like Illinois, they are known as state's attorneys. Despite the differences in job titles, their role remains largely the same: prosecuting criminal cases on behalf of the government. District attorneys have significant discretion in their approach to their work. They decide which cases to pursue, what charges to file, and how to present cases in court. This discretion means they play a crucial role in shaping the criminal justice system, as their decisions can affect the lives of defendants, victims, and entire communities. However, official action against prosecutorial misconduct is relatively uncommon, and methods to address it vary by jurisdiction. Prosecutorial misconduct includes unethical or illegal behavior such as withholding evidence, making false statements, or engaging in other forms of unethical conduct. Despite their wide discretion, it is crucial for district attorneys to uphold ethical standards and be held accountable for any misconduct. The National District Attorneys Association has established guidelines emphasizing integrity, fairness, and impartiality, helping ensure justice is served and defendants' rights are protected. City attorneys. In some U.S. local jurisdictions, city attorneys prosecute minor offenses and misdemeanors. These cases can include traffic offenses, nuisance offenses, and violations involving alcohol. In certain jurisdictions, city attorneys may also prosecute misdemeanor cases that result in jail time. The types of offenses city attorneys can prosecute vary by jurisdiction. In some places, their role may be limited to handling minor offenses that result in fines, while in others, they may have broader prosecutorial authority. Regardless of their specific responsibilities, city attorneys play an important role in enforcing local laws and maintaining public safety. The authority to prosecute offenses at the city level can vary widely by state and even within states. In some places, the responsibility for prosecuting minor offenses may fall to county prosecutors or other government officials. It is important to consult local laws and regulations to determine the specific responsibilities and authority of city attorneys in a given jurisdiction. Independent counsels. In cases where high-level government officials are charged with misconduct, independent counsels are appointed to serve as prosecutors. These lawyers prevent the abuse of government power by investigating and prosecuting cases involving allegations of misconduct by high-ranking government officials. The United States Attorney General has the power to appoint an independent counsel when sufficient evidence warrants investigating high-ranking officials, including members of Congress. Independent counsels are not accountable to any government office, preventing undue influence over the investigation. The length of service for independent counsels is determined by the time needed to complete the investigation. Once the investigation is finished, the independent counsel presents their findings to the Attorney General. The use of independent counsels is rare and typically reserved for the most serious cases involving high-ranking officials. Their appointment ensures that investigations into potential misconduct are conducted independently, without undue influence or bias. Prosecutors at all levels of the criminal justice system play a critical role in maintaining law and order. Whether they are U.S. attorneys handling federal cases, district attorneys prosecuting state-level crimes, city attorneys dealing with minor offenses, or independent counsels investigating high-level misconduct, their work is vital to the integrity of the justice system. By upholding ethical standards and ensuring that justice is served, prosecutors help protect the rights of all parties involved and contribute to a fair and just society. Thank you for joining me, Dr. Adam McKee, as we explored the essential role of prosecutors in the criminal justice system. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the criminal justice system. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.